What's up, Boss Lady Crew? Back with another video. Yeah, y'all. What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm about to cook these lamb chops for y'all. Y'all know I cook. I DIY on this channel. I do everything. Y'all know. Go watch my other videos. So now I'm about to rinse them off with some cold water, with some cold salt water, y'all. So I'm just, rinsing them off, getting them real clean and stuff. Take some of that salt, sprinkle in there, let it sit for about a good 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes. Just let it sit for a minute until you feel like it's clean enough for you. See all that gunk and stuff? It floated to the top. Yeah, that's stuff you want to get rid of. Then you're going to rinse them. And rinse them again. Then you want to dry, take all the water off of them. Put them in this little pot thing. I put them in this little pot thing. And I'm going to be seasoning them inside this little pot. I'm going to slap your mama in there. Baby, my seasoning cabinet, y'all, is filled to the top. Not to toot my own, baby. This a cooker over here. It's a cooker over here. And I'm going to take some of that avocado olive oil. That was the last of that in that little bottle or whatever, y'all. So I just poured a little bit that was left in there so that some of them seasons could marinate and sit on top of that, that oil. Then I'm going to take some of that Crayola seasoning. Girl. Ma'am, sir, you ladies and gentlemen, take some of that rosemary. Baby, I don't measure nothing out, y'all, so don't. I just know when enough is enough, I just know when enough is enough. And I just take everything. See, I'm just pouring my little heart out. See, like I said, I just know when enough is enough. And now I'm going to take some basil. And I'm going to sprinkle it all over there. Baby, like I say, I do not know measurements, y'all. I don't even know. I ain't going to say if it's a teaspoon or a tablespoon. Most likely, I don't know. I ain't even about to guess it. Like I said, I just know when enough is enough. And I'm going to get that table blend. Oh, y'all, all these seasonings are so good. If y'all be watching my channel, I'm going to do this year, y'all. It's going to be more cooking videos. I'm a garlic salt. Just a little bit, y'all, because y'all don't want no salty-ass lamb chops. Excuse my language. Y'all don't want no salty lamb chops. Who do? No, we don't do that. And onion powder. And we're going to sprinkle that all over there. And we're going to take some garlic powder. Not garlic salt. Garlic powder this time, y'all. And sprinkle it all on there. You can use as much as you want to. And then I'm going to take some minced garlic. Ooh, and I'm going to sprinkle that all over there. Give me a little fork. Take it. Like I said, y'all, this year I'm going to do a lot of, videos. So y'all need to just stay tuned. Hit that bell so y'all don't miss none of my videos when I upload. You know what I'm saying? And if you want more of me, go to my Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and I'm going to use some time. Because I forgot the time, y'all. Oh, my God. I'm going to time. You got to sprinkle that time on there. And like I said, I even got a podcast. Same as my name on here. And I'm going to take some of that garlic-infused olive oil. Oh, my God, y'all. I get those from Aldi's. It's different ones that's infused with different stuff. It's like 3 of them, but you get them around holiday time. So I'm going to make sure I only season one side of I've seasoned it so much to the point I only need to season one side and just flip it on the other side so they can get some loving. And then I'm going to sit these in the refrigerator overnight and let them marinate, do their thing, baby. Let them get some of that tender loving. And we're going to put them in the refrigerator 30 minutes. Overnight. And I'm going to get some red skin potatoes because, baby, it go hard with the red skin potatoes. All you got to do is rinse them off real good. Make sure they clean. Rinse some skin potatoes off. Put them in that water, in that pot. Let them cook on that stove. I I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't remember. I just know if I could stick my fork through and they falling apart, they done. They done. If they falling apart and you stick your fork through, baby, they done. And you just let them suckers boil. I say about an hour and some change. Don't quote me, but put it on the medium heat. Let them boil. See how they look. They busting open. See how they falling apart when you pour them in there. They done, boo boo. They done. And I just rinse them off. I got a habit of doing that because I don't know. I just rinse my potatoes off and then put them back inside the pot after I drain them. I drain them, then I rinse them off, then I pour them back in the pot. Turn that water off. Then we go mash these potatoes. I have a potato masher, so baby, you got to do what you got to do. You got to use what you got. You got to use what you got, baby. And after I mash these suckers real good, I'm going to take some of that butter. But I'm going to put that in that pan because we're going to make our lamb chops in that pan. We're going to pan sear them in that pan. And we're going to let all that butter melt. And then I'm going to take the other half and I'm going to put that in there. But you can put as much as butter in there. You can put whatever you want to put in your potatoes. All I put is butter, sour cream, and milk. And white pepper and salt. Sometimes I use garlic. Sometimes I use cheese. It depends on what I'm feeling like. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. I mean, it's up to you. Whatever you want to put in your stuff. Baby, whatever you got to taste for that day. Baby, and pour a little milk. I use a little 2%. That's what I use. And you can use almond milk. You can use canned milk. You can use whatever milk you want to use, baby. Whatever floats your boat. Shit, breast milk, put it in there. I don't give a just put it in there. But now I'm going to use the Irish butter, y'all. And this is real butter. You know what I'm saying? But the other one was margarine. You know, the first one was margarine. That Blue Bonnet butter is margarine. And I put a little bit of that, too, in there. And we're going to mix them up, baby. That's how you make your mash. Your mashed potatoes. That's how you make them mashed potatoes, baby. And they be banging. And we going to mush all of that together. Mash all of that together. Until it get like a creamy, you know. Not creamy, but, you know, till we get some of them lumps up out of there. And I got the pot on real low, y'all. Like really, really low. Like really, really low. So all that stuff can melt up in there. All that goodness and that flavor, honey. Ooh, baby, look at them. You about to see all of that. I got the pot on real, real low. Now I take some of that ground white pepper. Yes, not black pepper. You can use black pepper if you want to. But I like to, you know, use the white pepper. It tastes just as good, y'all. So, baby. And you can get that from the meat market. Just like I got those, them lamb chops. And take some salt. Baby, I know you like some more. You just had some generic season, some salt. Baby, my cabinets is filled with all types of seasonings. Whether it's generic or name brand, baby, I'm a cooker, baby. If you know what you're doing, it's going to taste good. 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 I'm trying to tell you. And put them lamb chops to eat that butter melted. Now my pan, it's all hot and stuff. So I just cooked these, y'all. 3 minutes on both sides. 3 minutes on both sides. Yep. Put your timer on your stove if you need to. Baby, them some juicy lamb chops, boo-boo. And I just stuff them all in there. But you got to make sure your pot is hot. It's got to be hot, baby. And I put all the rest of that goodness up in there. Because them babies is sat in the refrigerator overnight, honey. They done got all their little seasonings up in them. And then I flip them. One thing you don't want to do is take a fork and stab your... No, we not doing that. Because you making all the juices come out now. Come on now. Flip them bugs. Get you some Tums and flip them suckers. Flip them. Ooh, baby. And that food was good, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie. They was good. And all I'm doing is just letting them sit for 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. You don't want to overcook them, y'all, because one time I overcooked some lamb chop, baby. They was, they wasn't the business. The seasoning was great, but baby, they was dry. It don't take lamb chops to cook that long. So do not cook them that long. 3 minutes on both sides. And then after I get done cooking them 3 minutes on both sides, I put them in the oven for about 5 minutes. And it's done. You could have actually stopped it right there. For real, for real. But I know I showed y'all, 5 minutes in the oven. Just for a little bit. You could have actually stopped them right there. I just wanted them in the oven for a little bit. And now I'm going to take this. I get this from the meat market too. This garlic herb spread. Oh my God, y'all. This is what I use to make my, I know y'all like, damn, Small, you use a lot of garlic. Baby, I'm keeping vampires away. 2021, ain't no vampires over here. But anywho, I'm going to take a little bit of that garlic infused olive oil and I'm going to put it in there so we can cook this spinach. I got that spinach from Aldi's, y'all. Y'all can go anywhere and get some spinach. Fresh spinach. Y'all can go anywhere. And I just put it all in that pot. And a little garlic salt. Just a little bit. Because you don't want too much, y'all. It'll taste your spinach will be salty. You don't want that. You already got the butter and the oil. You just want to get that stuff welted real good. Yeah. And so, y'all, baby, it was banging. Everything I'm showing y'all is how I do my thing, baby. I do my thing in that kitchen. I'm in there. Whoa, look at how I plated that, baby. Chef boss lady. Come through, baby. Come through. Baby, how much would you pay for that plate? Comment down below. How much would you pay for that plate? Don't play me either, because I'm a. See y'all. Peace.